Welcome back to Sepang. I'm Nick Harris, sitting alongside me, Matt Burt, down in pit lane, Dylan Gray for this penultimate round, the MotoGP World Championship.
Pedrosa, Marquez, Rossi on the front row. Row 2, Lorenzo, Crutchlow, Andrea Iannone.
Row 3, Andrea Dovizioso, Maverick Vinales and Bradley Smith. Row 4, Aleix Espargaro, Paul Espargaro fit, and Danilo Petrucci.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma barik lana fi ma razaqtana wa qina adhaban. Amin.
Bautista, Yoni Hernandez and Nicky Hayden making his last Grand Prix appearance in Malaysia.
Fly past Alex Rins on the Suzuki. Quattararo, 3/4 of a second in his back pocket already. Marquez into turn number 4. Rossi's on the started 10 as Crutchlow. He's gone down his hand and now he's charging through, but he's gone deep. Jack Miller was briefly side by side. Marquez and Vincenzo. Did they all? One of them were giving that one up, and it's cost them dearly, and that means. No. And that means now we have a good socket. Oh, and Duffy's up the inside as well. Heart-stopping Stein way up the inside and Miller into turn 6. He does, because Miller had a big moment on the front end. Left it here. And this is as far back as he's been in a long, long time. Dovey up the inside of Miller there. He's up into third.
Akon wis iki. Aku sing menang nomor 1 itu. Wis auto nomor 1 iki aku. Akon nomor 1 iki aku kudu. Aku kalah iki. Tuh, iya lah. Pak, iki teko sawah piye iki? Panah piye panahe kok teko sawah iki aku moro-moro. Oh, kleru iki. Yo tak mbeli seno, tak mbeli. Kleru salah kaprah aku iki. Cuk, jancuk.
Yoni Hernandez and Nicky Hayden making his last Grand Prix appearance in Malaysia.
Row 7, Loris Baz, Tony Elias and Eugene Lafferty. Row 8, Mike DeMeglio, Ant West and Damien Cudlin. And row 9, all on his own.
Because as we stand, like you got.
And the naughty boy, Hector Barbara.
Hector Barbara, if you are just joining us, penalised for an incident this morning with Paul Espargaro. He was 10th on the...
Right, and there he is, Valentino Rossi in their moment of truth, getting closer. Will we have a new 2015 MotoGP World Champion? Claw back in the market. Can the Yamahas match the pace and the speed of the Hondas at the front? Stay with us, because we are about to find out.
His 329th Grand Prix appearance. It's a new record. Grand Prix about to start in front of a crowd of almost 90,000 fans. Valentino Rossi versus Jorge Lorenzo, the 2015.
Top 5 rider had some chance to win.
Alhamdulillah. Juara. Hey, dapat juara nih. Aku juara.
lupa like, comment, dan subscribe YouTube channel Nganu TV.